Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. And if you are willing to join Indian Armed Force, here is the notification for you guys. TGC 132 is come out. So I will take you through each and every details. What is the eligibility criteria? How you are going to apply it on Join Indian Army website, and what is the expected date for the SSB interviews, and what is the cutoff for TGC 132 for branch wise. So it is a permanent commission, and let me take you to the next slide and I will brief you about each steps how you are going to apply for this job vacancy for to join the Indian Armed Force. So I have a PDF here that I have downloaded. So what is the eligible criteria? First of all, that is very important before applying this application online. So your age should be between 20 to 27, and if you see at the eligibility criteria section B, your age should be between 1994 to 2001. So that is not much important for you because you guys also can download it. I will provide you the download link in the description section for this PDF. So if the most important is what is the vacancies with the respective branches. For the civil we have a 10, for architect we have 01, for mechanical and for 03, and if you see for the mechanical the cutoff is also very high. It will approx more than 70 plus, and for the civil it's always 55 plus, 55 percentage plus. So for electrical 4, for the computer science this time it is 09 vacancies, for electronics and EC branch it is 06, for aeronautical 02. So if you see automobile, nuclear technology, aerospace, laser technology, these are the new branches that has been added for these vacancies. So total 40 vacancies are there to apply for this post, and if you see number of application would be very high, and the competition would be very high for to join the armed force as a permanent commission. And once you will get through with all the process, all the procedure SSB, and after your recommendation you are going to join IMA, not the OTA. OTA is for SSA. So this is a type of commission. This is a permanent commission, and you will get a seniority, date of the joining armed force as a lieutenant, training 49 weeks. This is not much detailed, but if you go by yourself that is more important. So you will have a more detail. The basic pay for the lieutenant is 56,100 rupees, and it is a level 10 according to the Indian pay grade. And DRL allowance, kit maintenance allowance. So this link that I will provide you in the description box, so you will download it and you will read all those details. So let's go directly to the website, and there I will explain you how you are going to apply. So this is the official website of the Indian Army. If you see, I will provide you the link for this website also in the description box. So now you're applying for this vacancy. So this is the officer application. So you just have to click here, officer entry, and apply login. And if you see here at the top it is scrolling, so you see this notification is also available on the Join Indian Army website. So this will come in the scrolling, and next to maybe we'll see all the notifications here. So it is due to lockdown, Bhopal, White TM office later. So these are the few information that is available on the Indian website. Let's directly go how you are going to apply for the officer entry. So click on the officer entry. You have to, if you already register for your previous SSBs, just use your username and password and add the captcha and login. If not, just click on the registration button here and click on continue at the bottom right, and provide your all the details, Aadhaar, candidate name. So I have already registered myself, so I'm not going to register again here. So these are the details that you have to fill up, and at the end you will receive a confirmation email on your email address. You have to just confirm on that email, and after that you are eligible to log in with the login credentials that you have submitted, and after that you can continue to fill up the application form. So maybe in later on you will face a problem with the picture size signature what is the size of the signature that you should have to upload, what is the size of the pictures pixel. So you can ask all those doubts in the comment box. I will provide you all the answers. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please write in the drop box, and I will keep coming up with the new notifications like this. Thank you so much. Bye bye, have a good day, take care.